हाँ देखना वाम कैसे आ रही है वहाँ से।
In a stunning turn of events, Pakistan's military nerve center was rocked both physically and psychologically. Pakistan's military, once thought to be secure, has been shaken to its core by a series of precise Indian missile strikes. India's Air Force carried out a series of coordinated attacks from May 8th to May 10th, targeting 11 military air bases across Pakistan. The most significant of these was the attack on the Noor Khan Air Base, located just 10 kilometers from Islamabad. The strategic airbase houses critical military assets, including surveillance systems, transport aircraft, and refueling units. The attack left significant damage in its wake, with destroyed fuel trucks, a damaged warehouse roof, and a C-130 transport aircraft rendered inoperable. This blow not only crippled Pakistan's aerial logistics, but also demonstrated India's ability to strike deep within Pakistan's defense perimeter. The psychological toll of these strikes has reverberated through Pakistan's military leadership. Sources confirm that Pakistan's Army Chief, General Asim Munir, he was moved to a fortified bunker within the General Headquarters complex in Rawalpindi. For at least 2 hours, Munir remained sheltered as the attack unfolded. General Munir's absence from the public view in the days following the strike fueled widespread speculation. Rumors swirled on social media, with some suggesting that his family may have even left the country, highlighting the deepening anxiety among Pakistan's leadership. These nuclear bunkers, which are built to survive direct missile impacts, are reinforced underground facilities designed for command continuity during wartime. Equipped with EMP shielding, secure comms, and survival provisions, they symbolize strategic last resorts. This unprecedented move underscores the heightened insecurity felt by Pakistan's military command. Experts suggest that the attack on Noor Khan exposed vulnerabilities in Pakistan's defense network. The army chief's operational base may be permanently relocated to mitigate future risks. CNN News 18 confirms that General Munir's operational base will be shifted, a rare move that underlines the psychological impact of India's deep strike capability. Security analysts suggest that in response to the attack, Pakistan may now consider relocating critical command centers to mitigate future vulnerabilities. The relocation of General Munir himself highlights just how exposed Pakistan's military leadership now feels. From denial to damage control, Pakistan's top brass is now bunkering down literally.